Welcome back to our channel.
Okay. Yo, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. At ngayon, nandito kami sa Sabana Rapids River.
Hi!
Kasama ko si Yan, si Joaquin, at ang mami nila. Samahan nyo kami at lilibutin namin to. Pwede rito mag-biking, pwede mag-kayak, at marami pang iba. Pwede mag-picnic. Pero ngayon, maglalakad lang kami. Ayan, ito yung hiraman ng bike. Yun, no? Punto.
Last time we go here, it says there are cardinals here.
Di ba nakakita tayong cardinal dito? Ayun, no? Yun daw.
Don't drop your GoPro.
Meron sila ritong pang-repair ng bike. Kapag nasiraan ka, kompleto yung tools, may pang-bomba. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana pa. Yun, no? So nandito kami. Dito kami sa bridge, iikot kami hanggang doon sa head gates. At dito, yan. Ganyan lang, yan yung pinakasimple. Pero meron kasi dito pa South Augusta, mas malayo. Yun. Masarap din talaga sa feeling pag nasa labas ka. Let's go na. Yun, medyo palayo na doon. Ay, may nangingisda doon, no?
Why would the people go to that dock?
They are fishing. Punta kami sa kanal.
I feel safe here.
Be careful.
Oh, so scary.
May alligator. Oo, nakakita na naman ng pad. No. Let's go na, let's go.
Shoes will become wet. It's deep. That was deep.
Yun. Nice view. Ayan, nandito pa rin kami.
And the ducks are gone. Why is that bird like frozen? It's been there in the same spot.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that?
What's that?
Octopus.
So yun, nandito kami kanina at nilakad na namin to at nandito na kami. So pabalik na kami rito at dito kami nakapark. Dito yung event hall na sinasabi ko. So ayun, tara. Ano, may tadpole?
Pero maraming kitikite, wrigglers. Wait, ang salar.
Comfy on it.
Dito yung rentahan nila ng kayak. Ayan yung presyo.
It's so much fun. So much fun, Mommy.
Yeah.
A few minutes later.
So ayun, inabot na kami ng gabi rito. At ito yung final na pupuntahan namin, yung playground. At naglalaro pa yung mga bata. Kung nagustuhan yung video na to, please like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa iba pa naming upload. Hanggang dito na lang ang video na to. We are the Saulo family and bye bye!